Hello students, I thought to share this video with you. I was seeing one of the child have getting puzzled in the solving odd and even worksheet given by the teacher, and I thought it would be the right way to explain you again odd and even. We have during our class we have discussed about this story, a sock uh, looking for its pair, and there was one sock, and he said, I have lost my partner and I need to see where my partner is gone. And then he went to a basket where he saw a number of socks placed, one with the stripe, one with one colored socks, and then pink colored, and the one who was dirty. And they try to find in the basket where their sock, the sock uh, partner is, and they went to the basket of the socks. So there was a number of socks, and he saw that where is my pair. So he picked out one. It was a bit dirty, so he kept it aside. Then he picked another one, this solid one. This doesn't look the same, so he kept another one aside. Then he picked up for another one. This was pink color, beautiful, but it is not a pair. You see, it's not a pair, it's not similar. So he kept that sock aside. Then he picked another one. It was somewhere similar to the one he just now picked up, so he places there that sock there. And then again he picked up one, and it was not the same. It was having black, but it was not same like. So he kept it there, and then he picked up another one. It was a stipe one, and it's new, but it is not similar. So he kept another sock there. And then this one was like a pair of that. And then this was one which was he took it first. It was a bit dirty, so he placed that sock to with that particular that sock placed there. So what he found, that there was group of socks, like one, this in a two, one and two, it's in pair, it's the same type, and one and two, it's in pair. So the one, this dirty sock was having a friend, and they became a pair, right? One and two. So this is two. Then again he saw this one, it was also having a pair, so it's a one and two. So this was also a pair. So then this one is also a pair. This is so what you see, it's two, it's having a pair. So one sock is having a friend, another friend, which is also a similar type. So if you have a friend, if any number is having friend, when you are alone you are one, right? When you will have one more friend to you, you'll become two. So you are with a friend. So if I'll ask two of you can catch your hand together, you stand with your mama, papa, and you, and then I'll ask you, you hold a hand of your mama, then you and mama becomes a pair. And then your papa is also standing beside. The papa is not having anyone beside him, so he is not having any pair. So three is having no pair. If you are standing alone, you don't have any pair, so you are all alone. When mama and you are standing, then you are in pair. And when papa is also standing beside you, then papa is not having any pair. So one which is having a pair, a friend, any number which is having a friend, जैसे 2 के पास friend है ना, 1 and 2, it's a friend. So they have a friend. Now this is all alone, this is not having pair. So 3 is not having a pair. So one who is having a pair, and this one alone, this one alone is not having any pair, right? So this is odd, because they don't have any friend. Odd one, you don't have friends, right? So ये odd है. अब these two is together, so they have a friend, so they are even. Now this one has come across. So do this one is having any pair? No. So this will become odd. Now this pair will come. Then what? It will become even. Then again this another socks is coming. So how many it is? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 has become even. Right? This 4 is even. this and this all are even, right? Then I'm having another sock. So I am having 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this one is fifth one. So this one is not having any pair, so this will be odd. Now I'm having another one, so I'm placing this. So this is becoming a pair again. So this is a friend, this is a friend, and this is a friend. So pair, pair and pair. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 will become even. Then I'll pick one more again. So how many socks I'm having at present now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this one 7. So 7. So everyone is having pair, right? 1, 2 is having pair, 3, 4 is having pair, 5, 6 is having pair and 7 is all alone. So 7 is odd. Now I am placing this sock again. Now it has become a pair, right? So how many socks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, then 7 and 8. So everyone is having pairs, so it is 8 is what? Even. Now this one is all alone. So how many socks we are having? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, all in pair, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So ninth one is not having any friend with him, right? So this one is all alone, so it will be odd. Now I will bring the friend of black socks and it will become 10, right? So 10 is also having a pair, right? 9 and 10, they are also having pair, so it is an even. This is how you will understand odd and even. Okay? So 1 to 10, from 1 to 10, 1 is not having any pair, so it is odd. Then 2 is having a pair, so it is even. 3 is not having any pair, so it is odd. Then 4 is having pair, then it is even. Then 7 is not having any pair, so it's odd. Sorry, 5 is not having any pair, so it's odd. Then 6 is not having any pair, 6 is having pair, so it is even. 7 is not having any pair, so it is odd. 8 is having pair, so it's even. Then 9 is not having any pair, so it's odd. And 10 is having pair, so it's even. This is how we segregate from 1 to 10. When we go it further, from 11 to further numbers, then the last number, 10 is always an even, right? So if I'm adding in a 10, I am adding 6 more, then it becomes 16, right? So when it becomes 16, तो करना क्या है? वही 10 तो even है ही. even में हमको 6 और ऐड करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So everything is in pair, right? So it's a even. If I'll have to add, if I'm talking about number 15, so in that case 10 is even, right? 15 is how? 10 plus 5 is even. 10 is even and 5. So 5 is another number, so you have to add that. So 10 is even. I have to add 5 more. So 1, 2 in pair, 3 and 4 in pair, and 5. 5 is all alone. So 15 is odd. If I'll talk about number 19. Okay, so 10 is even. Now it's point about 9, because in a 10 we have to add, we have already having 10 fingers, now to add 9, right? 9. So what we will do? 1, 2, pair, 3, 4. Pair, 5, 6. Pair, 7, 8. Pair, and 9 all alone. So 9 will be what? Yes, it will be odd. Now we will talk about number from 20 to further 30. So when we'll talk about 20 to 30, again 20 becomes how? 10 and again 10, right? It becomes 20. So I am having 10 socks. So 10 is in a pair. All 10 socks are in pair, right? Each sock are in pair, right? 1, 2. Socks, one pair. 2, 3, 4. Another pair, 5, 6. Another pair, 7, 8. Another pair, 9, 10. 11. Another pair. So 10 this much socks, and if I will buy similar kind of 10 more socks, that will be also in a pair. So 20 is even. So from 20, if I want to talk about 23, then in that case 20 is even. If I'll add 1, 2 and 3, then what it is? Tell me. 2 are in pair and 1 is in all alone. Is all alone, so it is odd. 23 will odd. If I'll talk about 27, okay? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in pair and 7 all alone. So it's odd. That's how we understand about odd and even. If I'll talk about 30, then again 10 is even. Then again 10 is even. Then again 10 is even. So 1, 10. Then again another 10 will be how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So see, 10 pair, 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 pair and pair. Everything is in pair, right? You can see this. Every finger is in pair. है ना? So 1 time 10 यानी कि even. Then again 10, then even. Then again 10, even. So 3 times 10, 10, 10 becomes 30. So 30 is also even. So after 30, if any number comes like 37 or 36, then if we talk about 36, then 30 is even. Then what have to do? We have to add 6 more. 1. Then where is the socks of similar kind? 2. Then 3, 4. Then 5, 6. So it's a all pair. So it is even. This is how we can do. So any tens number like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, everything is in pair. So all tens are even. And then we add the number like 96, 94, 75, 72, 65. Then we will, after adding that 5, 6, whatever number it is, we will come to know that it is odd or even. Hope you understood this. Thank you.